Well, well, well. Just look at that. Spring has officially sprung. And you know what? I feel kind of springy myself. Ready to spring into action to help you with all your real estate needs. Just like these flowers are springing to life, the real estate market is blooming with incredible opportunities. Now, I know what you're thinking. Did you really just make that many spring puns? And the answer is, I'm just getting started. Because here's the thing. While others might be spring cleaning their closets, with a mandate in my hand, I'm spring cleaning your marketing strategy to get your house sold. And while doing so, I ensure that you have the very best experience in real estate. Whether you're ready to spring forward into your first home or just want to spring into a new neighborhood, I've got the expertise and the energy to make that happen. I don't just work in real estate. I spring into it with fresh ideas, a blooming network, and a commitment that knows no ends. So when you are ready to spring into your next chapter, don't leave me hanging. You get that? Don't leave me hanging. Like spring and flowers and trees and leaves. Never mind. My name is Toby, your spring-loaded real estate agent and life transition specialist, helping you navigate those challenging transitions when life happens. Call, text, or slide into my DMs. I'm ready to help your real estate dreams blossom. When it comes to real estate, I'm always in season.